Are you struggling to log into Mathspot on Roblox? In this video, we'll guide you through the entire process of logging into your Mathspot account on Roblox. Whether you're encountering issues or just need a refresher, follow these simple steps to get back into the action. Step-by-step guide to log into Mathspot on Roblox. Step 1. Open Roblox website or app. Begin by opening Roblox either through your web browser or the official Roblox app. If you're using a web browser, navigate to www.roblox.com. Step 2. Enter your username and password. On the Roblox homepage or app login screen, enter your Roblox username and password. Double-check your credentials to ensure there are no mistakes. Step 3. Verify your account, if necessary. If prompted, complete any necessary security steps to verify your account. This may include entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. Step 4. Search for Mathspot. Once logged in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Mathspot into the search bar and press Enter. Step 5. Select the Mathspot game or experience from the search results. Click on the official Mathspot game or experience. Ensure you're selecting the correct one by checking the developer or game details. Step 6. Start playing once on the Mathspot game page. Click the play button to start the experience. Enjoy your time in Mathspot on Roblox. Troubleshooting tips. Forgot password? If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login screen and follow the instructions to reset it. Account not working? Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you encounter an issue, try restarting your device or reinstalling the app. Need help? If you're still having issues, visit Roblox's support page for more assistance. Conclusion. Logging into Mathspot on Roblox is easy as long as you follow the steps above. If you're new to Roblox or experiencing difficulties, this guide will help you get up and running in no time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.